Currently, we're gonna start eating. We just made our food and it looks amazing, so I'm gonna show you it. Martha Lovisa. A healthy lifestyle. Yeah, take a shot every time I say that.
Welcome to the grand final of the Eurovision Song Contest.
Oh my god, England!
Norway.
Oh.
Norge.
Oh! Love him!
Sweden.
Oh! I Hansen.
Det är lite tomt. Kommer det med nu eller? Ja, det är tomt.
And the 12 points go to
Cyprus.
Nej.
Cyprus.
Nej.
12 points go to they go to Sweden. Cyprus.
Alltså hon var asdålig!
But there's still 21 countries to hear from.
And our 12 points go to Sweden.
We're climbing to the top!
Oh my god. Sweden!
Because I love Eurovision.
Ingen bryr sig om din åsikt, Sharon.
Serbia. Serbia 12 points. Time is ticking. Serbia. Austria.
Austria. 12 points go to.
We're in second place.
21 points.
Va? What? Okej, jag har förlorat.
Nej, jag hoppas på Austria då. Och inte fucking Chicken Girl.
Israel har vunnit Eurovision
Va?
Song Contest.
Det var ju värst det var. Alltså jag är ju...
The worst one won.
Eurovision Song Contest.
What? So annoyed. And she's cultural appropriating as well. It's the next day today, so it's Saturday, and to say the least, we were very disappointed with who won Eurovision yesterday. Like, she was literally appropriating Chinese and Japanese culture. I just can't believe how she won, but yeah, it was awful. But now me and Mum are making some lunch slash dinner. It's like 4 o'clock. So we're making tomato, mozzarella, halloumi and some salad, and we're gonna put them in pita bread. So I'm just frying the halloumi, and Mum's made tomato with mozzarella. So I'm gonna put some olive oil on and some oregano. And I'm also gonna slice an avocado, and we're gonna have sun-dried tomatoes. Going to pour some chia seeds on the tomatoes just to make it a bit more healthy. It's hot. Wow, this is my first time ever making anything like this, and honestly it looks amazing. Me and John are gonna go to the lake, so I think I'm gonna bring this with me. He's having pizza, so be proud of me. Look at that. She's a beauty. So we're at the lake now, and I actually put my legs in the water, and it's so like kind of warm, so I want to swim. So we're on our way home now, but we spotted some cows and they've got baby cows, so calves, I think it's called. I think they're called. Yeah. So we're gonna go say hi to them because they look so cute. And I actually wanted to go see some baby sheep, but there wasn't anywhere to park, so we couldn't do that. They're curious, they're coming towards us. Hi! I love this outfit, yes. And you can see my freckles now and also my paws. There's two small ones. Oh, now they're closer to us and everyone's coming along. You don't have to be scared. I'm a vegetarian, almost vegan. No, John isn't. That's why they're not coming to us, because John isn't a vegetarian. Look, he's really staring at me. And his friends. Oh, they're so small and cute. Oh my god. Hi, we're leaving. If you want to say hi, now's your chance. Oh my god, he's like literally almost taking it. Today I'm going to be attempting to refilm my drive with me. The sound just wasn't good, so now I've got my good old speaker and I'm going to play some of my favourite feel-good summer tunes, and I'm going to play them in the car for you because I'm driving to Dad's house today. So there's only 12 songs on this playlist. This is Benjamin Ingrosso that was with in Eurovision for Sweden. I look ratchet, I just woke up. This was the Swedish Eurovision song. Should have won. I've been trying to forget you. Just wanna dance you up. I love this song. I've had it in a playlist video before though. Shades on from H&M. What you think? I like them. But I never think I look good in shades, so I haven't worn them out yet. I really need to get gas and I've got like no money. Okay, I don't really need it, but I'm gonna need it soon. And I'm broke. I literally had like £10 on my card yesterday. Oh, here comes the best part. This song. I love this music video so much. Like, she looks stunning in it, and her new hair, her new look, everything is just flawless. I didn't think I was gonna like this song first. Like, I listened to it first and I was like, alright, but then I listened to it the next time and I was like, wow, like it really grew on me, and now I've been obsessed, so I've kind of listened to it too much, but I still really love it. This is, oh, I love this song too. Possibilities in you, lit up heaven in me. Possibilities, I look like all you need. I just wanna feel your fan on my love Lana Del Rey in the summertime, like in my driveway. Let's carry on with this show. He loves to romance, some reckless abandon. He says to be cool, but I don't know how yet. Wind in my hair, bitch. Climb of age. The song changed. Take off all your clothes. They say only the good die. Oh. It's a real summery song. Me and John are going to McDonald's to buy dinner because I'm really hungry. And McDonald's here in Sweden have just started selling sweet potato fries. I'm up for this. I'm here for this. So we're going to try them out and I'll tell you what I think about them. Whoop whoop. Finally got our food. It took quite a long time. There they are. A new veggie burger called Veggie Clubhouse. So this is without ketchup, but they look good. Oh my god. on. These are so good. I don't think they were going to be this good. Oh, it's 8:30 and I've got an orange juice. Here we've got it. The packaging looks amazing and the burger looks incredible. I'm so excited to try it out. It's got all that salad, it's got cheese, it's got this beautiful bun. So the burger's just an actual normal veggie burger. It smells heavenly. It's got some kind of sauce. Okay, let's go. Wow, that's so good. Oh my god. It's Saturday the 19th of May. I just filmed a lookbook, which is why I look like this, and it's really sunny outside, and today me and my friends are gonna meet. We're gonna meet in town, we're gonna go to the beach, just have some snacks. I think it's like 19 degrees out, so it's quite nice. It's very nice, yes, and it's sunny. I need to get changed and tidy up the mess in my room. I already tidied my room once this morning, but when I was choosing outfits, I messed it up again. We're here at a different lake we've never been before, and it's cozy, and Dad's with us. We bought some watermelon, some crisps, and I got an avocado sandwich with tomato on that I'm gonna eat now. And I might swim, we'll see. Oh, the water's quite lukewarm. The house over there is moving, so it must be a boathouse. That looks so crazy. Now? Yeah. Okay, do you want to count? Wow. Nu känns det jättevarmt. Yeah, I felt something on my foot. No. So today I'm gonna get my hair done for prom because it's prom tomorrow. So it's Friday the 31st of May. I can't believe prom has already came. I haven't had time to make a prom makeup tutorial or anything like that because I've been so busy with school. Like, you guys can probably tell because I haven't really uploaded videos last week. I uploaded one this week, so that's nice. But yeah, I'm getting my hair blonde, so I wanted to take you along this journey. And the weather is amazing. I'm wearing a skirt. I never wear skirts, but I literally need to because otherwise I will melt. Crazy, but I'm into it. But I'm into it. They're the same. This is how my hair looks now. See. It's beautiful. Hey everyone, I'm home now, and this is my hair. It's so short. I love the colour. I just feel kind of uncomfortable in this short hair because I haven't had it in a while, and I don't know, I've got my prom tomorrow, so yeah, but overall I like it. I just feel like I kind of look like a mean mum, or like a mean horse girl. I just showed her a picture of cool blonde hair that I googled. I'm currently making mozzarella sticks because I want a snack. Well, it's 8 o'clock. I've just been doing my homework for my presentation tomorrow. I'm really not ready for prom tomorrow. Like, my skin isn't ready. I have no idea what I'm gonna do for makeup. And my doggo's down here. She's so cute. I tried the mozzarella sticks for the first time yesterday on my Snapchat, so if you haven't got me on Snapchat, add me there because I always Whenever I go on Snapchats, I normally do long Snapchat stories, which are like mini vlogs kind of. I just feel a lot more comfortable doing my stories on Snapchat that aren't like perfect and all. I don't know, I feel like Instagram, I don't really like doing very personal ones because like a lot of people from my town follow me and I just feel like it will be, I don't know, I just prefer Snapchat. Oh my god, yes sir. I love this. Sweet Baby Ray's is the best. I hope they're done now. They haven't been on for long. Let's try. Oh, yep, they're done. We kind of want to take a break from studying and just watch a YouTube video because, I mean, I don't have a lot of studying to do. I just need to practice my speech. My clutch hasn't came. I haven't got a clutch because I've always been like, clutches would be annoying to go out with. I was going to order one on Monday, but then I was too like caught up with studying and I had a lot to do. So I didn't order it until Tuesday and it said it was 1 to 5 days like expected delivery. But then when I ordered it, it said it was 1 to 3 days. I promised tomorrow on Friday and I still haven't got it. And on my app, it doesn't even say that it's near, like. Oh my god, it's so good. Hi everyone, so I didn't end this vlog, so I'm just ending it right here, right now, and yes, my hair looks like this, but you will probably see that in my next vlog or the vlog after that, so stay tuned to see my prom in the vlog coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching all of this, I love you so much, bye. We were like an empty glass.